Out in the wilderness, I came across an abandoned Toyota Land Cruiser, once crowned the king of off-road, now sitting there in heartbreaking condition. Years of neglect have left it barely recognizable. The engine bay is torn apart, the airbags have deployed, and parts are scattered in the back, showing that someone may have tried to save it before, but ultimately failed. It looks like it can no longer return to the road, and I do not know how many kilometers it has driven, or what it might be worth, even if restored. Still, I cannot walk away, because the Land Cruiser is more than just a vehicle to me. It represents adventure and spirit, and I am willing to spend $100,000 to bring it back to life. Do you think it still has hope? Let us prove it, with action starting by stripping the interior. Separation of car shell. Bring out the engine. Correction and repair of the main beam. After straightening the frame, we repaired the front end, which required complete disassembly, before giving it an entirely new front face. Disassemble the engine. The loader is also broken and there is no power. He went in because the valves were severely worn. Excessive clearance in the steel holes leads to excessive oil consumption. After disassembly, the parts were placed in a pot for ultrasonic cleaning. All the parts are now ready, and everything that needed replacing has been swapped with new components. Next, we move into the reassembly stage. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest videos. Did you learn anything after you finished assembling it? Let's experience the power of the V6. High-pressure oil pipe replacement. All the worn rubber sleeves were replaced with new ones. After detailed bodywork, the shell is painted, giving it a completely refreshed look. The accessories were also replaced with new ones. Overall reassembly. The makeover is complete now. Let's take a look at the final result. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest videos.